Hi, my name is Rian. I'm going to solve the cube. First, you have to start with Daisy.
What is a daisy cube?
The daisy is the yellow center and the white edges. Done. Next, we have to do the white plus. This red is already matched for me. So I turn these two steps down. Then, the green is not matched, so I have to match it. It's matched. Keep doing it till white plus is done. Matched. Now white plus is done. The next step is to make the full white. First you have to look at this part. Then you have to match it to the centers. Then now you have to put this own part down and then do this and then keep it up. Keep doing it till you get full white. This is red. So we need to and then you're done. Last one left.
It's okay. Turn this part. Take this down. No. It's here, right? So take this part down. Move it out of the way. And then now you have it.
No. This. Put this away. Now the full white is done. Now let's.
Can you
move
show
on
us
to
the first layer? Is it complete?
Yes.
Yes.
Now move on to the second layer. You have to match the non-yellow piece till the non-yellow piece. So I matched it with green. It will come here. So I have to do right algorithm. First turn the thing, then now turn it the left, the right side, and then do the left algorithm, and then now it came to the right place. Keep doing that. This is the right angle piece. It will come here. Now we need to do the head away. I need to do this here. Then do this. Turn it this way. Now it came. Now for the last two pieces. Now it's done. Now the last. Now, second layer down. Now, you have to look at the tree. This is left square. And there's a dot, there's a sleeping line, and there's a 9 o'clock. And there's a plus. Keep putting the head away, the head up and till it becomes yellow plus. Now right. Now back. This is sleeping line. This is finally is plus, but U R I U R U we should do up left. We should
Check the corner.
check the corners.
Which one is correct?
This. So now we'll hold it like this. We'll hold it like this. We'll up left, right up, right, left up, left, right down, up, right, left down. Now this is no like this, no like this. All under like this. Now turn it upside down, holding the wrong corner. This is no. So do the right algorithm. Keep doing it till all this is matched. Matched. Now hold it like this. No. Now the last step is to patch it right. The cube is solved. Yay!